In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Calendar in Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account connected to the property you want to manage, since the calendar tools are only available from the hosting side of Airbnb. Once you're in, switch to hosting mode if needed. This is the area of Airbnb where hosts manage listings, reservations, pricing, and availability. If you normally use Airbnb as a guest, this step is important because the calendar won't appear in the same way unless you're viewing your host tools. After that, go to the listing section and choose the property you want to manage. If you have more than one listing, be careful to select the correct one so you're updating the right calendar. This helps avoid changing availability or pricing for the wrong property. Next, tap or click Calendar from the listing menu. Airbnb will then open the calendar for that listing. Give it a moment to load fully. Once it appears, you should be able to see your available dates, block dates, and the general booking layout for that property. From here, you can also view your reservations and upcoming bookings directly on the calendar. This makes it much easier to understand which dates are already taken and which ones are still open for guests. It's a useful view if you want to quickly check occupancy without digging through separate reservation details. If you want to make updates, select a date on the calendar. Choosing a specific date lets you adjust important settings like availability, nightly price, or minimum stay requirements. This is especially helpful if you want to block off personal travel dates, respond to seasonal demand, or fine-tune your booking rules. Once you've selected the date, make any necessary changes to the calendar settings. Take a moment to review what you're updating so everything matches your hosting plans. Small adjustments here can have a big impact on how your listing appears to potential guests. If Airbnb prompts you to save, go ahead and save your updates. That final step makes sure your changes are applied correctly and reflected in the calendar. And that's it. You can return to the calendar anytime you need to manage availability, adjust pricing, or review booking settings for your listing. It's one of the most important tools for staying organized as a host and keeping your property ready for future reservations.